Hey guys, welcome back to iFoodReal. Today we're making baked chicken thighs. It's my mom's recipe I grew up eating in Ukraine all my childhood. Have you ever bought a pack of chicken thighs and wondered what to do with it? I will show you how to bake chicken thighs that everyone will be asking recipe for. And it is very cheap and healthy way to feed a crowd or for a weeknight. I personally make this recipe when we have people coming over, especially with kids, and many are picky eaters. So I can assure you that everyone will love this chicken recipe. Even kids that say they don't want to try it, they will try and they will end up loving it. Let's do it! Add chicken thighs to a square baking dish. If there is excess fat, trim it with scissors. Grate garlic using zester, and watch out, those things are super sharp. I always cut myself. Then add dried oregano, salt, and pepper. Now we're gonna massage the chicken using your hands. Really get in there and mix it all well together. Don't go too fast, take your time. Look at that garlic. Let chicken marinate for about 10 minutes, and in the meanwhile preheat the oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. After 10 minutes, toss chicken again. And now we're going to arrange it in rows just the way you're going to bake. Tuck the skin a little bit under. It will ensure moist and juicy meat. Things will be tight, and that's what you want. Don't worry about it. Chicken will shrink as it bakes. Bake uncovered, that's very important, don't cover, for 30 to 40 minutes or until internal temperature reads 165 degrees, at least. That's when your chicken is ready. Pour juices all over chicken with a regular turkey baster. And if you like crispy chicken skin, who doesn't? Broil chicken for a few minutes. Hello, slippers. Remove chicken from the oven and cover it. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This will allow juices to settle. Look at this beauty. Garnish with fresh dill or parsley. It adds another layer of flavor. And here's my favorite way to serve chicken thighs Ukrainian style, with creamy mashed potatoes and cucumber and tomato salad. It's very Eastern European and it's delicious. I have both recipes on the blog iFoodReal.com. And now the taste test. Let's see. Let's eat our juicy chicken thighs. They look so juicy, right? All right. So good and so easy. Look at this. Big piece of chicken. And the skin, I'm eating the skin. The skin on top is the best part. So this is the Ukrainian spread we make, and that's how we usually serve chicken with mashed potatoes and very basic cucumber and tomato salad. And this glass of kombucha looks super inviting. It's so good after chicken. I make kombucha, like 4 of these bottles at a time, and it's really good for your gut. It fixes everything in my gut. That's it. We have all the recipes on the blog iFoodReal.com. They're linked below. You can check the video for cucumber tomato salad and for kombucha. And if you like this video, click the thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye!